How to add to a WhatsApp group. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any group from here. Now, go to the top and tap on the group name. Here, you can view the group chat information and description. You can also manage the group chat settings. Scroll down to the Members section to see how many members are in the group. Tap on Add Members to add more members to the group. Here, you can select the contacts you want to add to the group. You can also search the name or number of the contact you want to add. After selecting, tap on Add at the top right corner. Tap on Add again to confirm. You have now successfully added a member to the group. You can also tap on Invite to Group via link to invite more people to the group by sharing the group link with them. Following these steps, you can easily add to a WhatsApp group.